Before we get started, let's understand what is Angular. Angular is an application framework. It is the way how we can structure our code to build an application. There have been many Angular versions since the beginning, but after the release of version 2 in 2016, the entire framework was rebuilt from scratch. Since then, there have been many improvements and features added to the Angular framework. Now we just specify Angular versions as Angular. Now, Angular is a component-based framework, which means you can build any web application by creating smaller components and combining them and reusing them as per our requirement. Each component consists of its own scripts, HTML templates, and CSS styles, and can communicate with other components. Angular itself is considered as a modular framework. That means you just don't build small components yourself, but in order to use the features of those components, you load up only the pieces that you need. That makes the framework fast and efficient. One of the key features of Angular is data binding. This helps in connecting templates which are called views and your information that is sometimes called data or models. Angular has an amazing templating system that looks like HTML, but has some additional attributes and even tags that you can build yourself. This makes working with Angular templates easy to work with. Angular comes with CLI or command line interface. This is a small application that you install and load in your terminal. This tool helps us to create connections to components easier. In further lectures, we will see how the CLI works.